my butt dyno doesn't lie.
I see the smile. Hey, hold on.
All right, so today is the day. Sportster S ZX6. My butt dyno tells me that this bike is faster than this bike.
So here we are, finally fucking here. Finally here. We have 2021 Sportster S, and my 2012 ZX6 is the Sportster faster than the Ninja.
1250cc Rev Max, 121 horsepower is what Harley Davidson claims at the crank, with 98 foot-pounds of torque. This big girl weighs 502 pounds, which is where the disadvantage would lie compared to that. Also, speed's limited 136, so can't go faster than that. We all know that the ZX6 can go 186. It has 128 horsepower with 46 foot-pounds of torque. It only weighs 421 pounds, so has a clear weight advantage. However, my butt dyno doesn't lie.
Today, we're gonna do a couple of second gear roll-ons from 40 and from 60 to see exactly how this thing stacks up, man. My butt dyno tells me that the Sportster accelerates harder than the 600. We're gonna find out. All right, second gear, 40 roll. We're gonna sound it off. You ready? There it is.
So with nearly double the torque, clearly the Sportster takes the victory off of a 40 roll. It only makes sense. Let's go ahead and see if we can get a 60 roll, which the ZX6 will be much closer to the actual power band, to see what difference that makes.
All right, so here we're gonna go 60, show a little bit more torque, give it more power. All right, here we go.
So the ZX6 still got the win off of a 60 roll, but it was damn close, man. It was not pulling away until this thing hit its top speed, 136 at the moment, which happens in fifth gear. So, butt dyno was right. This thing does accelerate as hard as a 600. It's probably a little bit faster with an exhaust and a tune, but hey man, if you guys are interested in getting a Sportster S, it's fast. Thank you for watching. As always, if you like the content, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see more stuff like this, maybe what kind of bikes I should ride, and peace. See you guys.